If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what's one way for you to stay out of a sales slump, and why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business and a fantastic day to talk about you. For some reason in sales, the idea of a sales slump is like something that nobody wants to talk about, which is amazing to me because they happen. It is weird to me because like the answer for a lot of people is just keep training more and just keep working on it. And that's an inverse relationship. So I want to share with you a strategy that you could use immediately that literally cost you nothing. And I'm going to share with you why. When I work with salespeople, entrepreneurs, offer owners, CEOs, and we talk about sales slumps and what induced them, it's typically a moment in life. Something went wrong. Something set them off. And so we need to counteract what sets you off, just like I need to counteract what sets me off. And it's usually a negative person, a negative event, fear of something, a problem, a bad client. And so we have like all of these bad emotions and feelings and all these problems, you, me, everybody else. And then we have this one cool thing, gratitude. Gratitude is one thing that can help you defeat or not even enter a sales slump or even have a deep one. So there are a lot of different ways for you to do this. If you're religious, you can pray and be thankful for what you do. Okay, you're like, hey, Scott, I'm not religious. Okay, then don't worry about that one. You can make a list. You can make a list of the things that you're grateful for and just like think about it during the day and meditate on it during the day. When you're in the middle of a sales slump or just about to go into one, you could take this gratitude list and say, what are all the cool things that are happening in my life or have happened in my life? And this is why I'm a huge proponent of an awesomeness swipe file. An awesomeness swipe file allows for you to look and go, this is not true. I have empirical proof that what I'm believing about myself is not true because I got a file on my computer or my phone with videos, images, awards, testimonials, comments, events that I have done. Gratitude is one of those things that most people look at and they're like, meh, it's gratitude. That's the easy answer. That's the third grade answer, which it is. And this is why most people ignore it. Now, here's the thing. If you want to be better at sales, you want to be good at what you do, you should absolutely join my email publication. Go to this URL, type it into the browser, drop in your name, your email address, maybe your phone number. I'll give you the goods. Not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, which means private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training. It's an email publication. You'll freaking love it. Okay, so what do? Well, you can go to as simple as possible and go to the dollar store and buy a notebook that costs you all of $1. And every day, write in your gratitude journal. Every day, write down something that you're grateful for. If you feel like you're slipping up, you can open the gratitude journal and be like, nope, I'm going to make a list of 5 things that I'm grateful for, or 10 things that I'm grateful for, or 20 things that I'm grateful for, because it changes your focus. It takes it from poor me, the world around me is falling apart, everything is going wrong. You need to have some foundation, and that foundation is gratitude. That foundation is, here are all the reasons why that can't be true, in conjunction to an awesomeness swipe file. You could go and spend $20 on a journal. Here's the thing that I'm going to encourage you. Whatever you decide to do, $1, $20 for a journal, video, go through and do this and make a time every day to be consistent. So 6 o'clock in the morning, 6:30 in the morning, 7 in the morning. It's got to be in the morning. If you want to add at the end of the night, you can absolutely do that because I have this belief that what you think about before you go to bed is what you dream about. Totally my belief. I've got no scientific proof, but it sounds freaking awesome, okay? But you take and you write in this journal every single day and you look at this gratitude journal. What are you grateful for? Because here's the thing. There's going to be a day where you're looking at your phone and you're like, man, I feel like nothing's going right. Time out. I got a gratitude journal. Let me go through and I can remember some of these things that worked for me. I can remember some of these things that were freaking awesome. Doesn't cost you much. $1 if you're going to go to the dollar store, $20 if you want a really nice journal. Encourage you to start working on gratitude. There you go. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here. Just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, you know what you got to do. Share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.